Roomtodo, search and favorites. If you need to find an item in the catalog but don't know where it is, you may wander around for a long time without finding what you need. You can use the search feature. Enter the name of the item you need. In our case, a pillow. Press enter, and you'll see all the pillows or other relevant items in the catalog. If you frequently use certain items but find them hard to locate, you can add them to your favorites. You can do this by clicking on the star icon next to the item, which will then be added to the Favorites tab. You can also add items to your favorites by clicking on them directly in the scene and in the Item Settings panel, which also features a star icon. To remove an item from your favorites, simply click on the star icon again, either directly in the Item Settings or in the Favorites tab. This way, the items will be removed from your favorites list.